Hi friends, it's Mariz and welcome back to Quick Fixes, where we answer all your technical questions in under 2 minutes. Today's featured question is,
Excellent dashboard and very informative. Thank you. But how do you get dates in MMM-YY format on the slicers? This is a really common question when building Excel dashboards with date slicers. By default, Excel slicers show full dates or long date formats, which can look cluttered, especially when you're only interested in month and year. It's frustrating because you might already have your dates formatted correctly in the worksheet, but the slicer doesn't follow that format. The good news is, slicers don't control date formatting directly. Instead, they inherit the format from the PivotTable field behind them. To show dates in MMM-YY format on your slicer, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. Step 1. Click the date inside your pivot table. Step 2. Right-click and select Field Settings. Step 3. Click Number Format. Step 4. Select Costume. Then type MMM-YY in the format box. And click OK. And finally, refresh the slicer if needed. Your slicer will now show the dates in MMM-YY format. And that's it! Your slicer now looks clean, readable, and much more dashboard friendly without changing your actual date values.
if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or any requests, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.